Okay, today, what date? July 12th, 2025, Saturday, 11 o'clock, 13 minutes. I have a box. YESWELDER FLUX-135 Pro. Yes, this is the second welder because the first, even I forgot the name on the first welder, but I have a video on the YouTube, my channel, you can find, I make a return. I try use it, but probably was something wrong. Or maybe I don't know how it's function. I don't think so. And never mind, I return and I order this. I saw a review. For this money, I ordered from TikTok. For this money, this is the best welding. Let's open the box. I received for 1 week. I received Tuesday, but I'm not open until today because Monday to Friday I'm working. Let's open and then see what you got in the box. And I'll try tomorrow, try welding. Even the box when I'm open have a lot of more stuff, even the last welding when I order. Usually probably this is much better quality. No, because have a more stuff. Because my opinion. Wire. Welding wire. Various option. Some number. Yes, welder. Sticker pack. Yes, welder. Oh, there's a sticker. In the previously video when I watched on the YouTube about this welder, I didn't see like that. Oh, look at these, the stickers. Look at one sticker. That's a cool stuff. I like that. I like. Yeah, TIG Master Welding Universe. I like this. I'm a fan for stickers. Flash proof. Wow. Weldedict. Science 2006. Keep calling. You know what? This is good commercial for the company. And I'm asking myself, why the company from United States don't do it this? Just send a sticker for everything. Wow, that's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stickers, 13 stickers in the good waterproof package. Yeah, that's a good. That's a good. Thank you, YESWELDER company. I'm sure a review 5 stars, I'm sure. And also I watch a lot of video on the YouTube about this welder, and that's why I make a decision I'm gonna buy this. Okay, that was 13 stickers. Please turn on arc force and hot start function to level 10 when using over 50 ampere in arc mode. Arc force hot start function to level 10 when using over 50 ampere in arc mode. YESWELDER FLUX-135 Pro. This is user manual, but I'm sure you have something plus except user manual. Recommend parametric. That's a good. paper. Yeah, I'm talking about this. And this is welder settings chart. This is important to fix it. And then, because I'm not professional, I take for fun, for something home, fix it. My parametric gonna be always same. I will not change nothing. I like flux welding because stick welding in my country, I do it like that. Usually my school is it, machine engineer. Yeah, flux welder, make torch, electrode holder, work clamp, contact tips, two pipe, two pro. Yeah, okay. Uh, I'm impression for company responsible. They make attention for everything. When you buy the customer, that's a good because not everyone is a professional. Okay, where is this? There's one box. This is another box. This is another box. And this is a little heavy from the last Flux Pro. Yeah. And the cable more, yes, more stronger, probably more wire like a last. The last it was like USB cable, but this is more bigger and stronger. You wanna open this first? Huh? Yeah, let's open this first. Yeah, I like this. If I compare with another, yeah, I like this. There's the wire. 09 and 08. If you use 09, go the inside to the wall. Oh, yeah, yeah, 09, you come to the face, this side, like this. This is the locker. This is it. Put it down, lock and make it tight. Depend the wire speed, how much is coming out, like that. I like have a large display, dial mode. Yeah, no plastic, no plastic bag. Okay, it looks solid as well. That looks. I will not try today for welding. Maybe next time, but I'm sure I'm gonna record some small video. There's the two nozzle. I need pliers to take off this. Yeah, depend of. Yeah, then like a spare. Let me open. I'm sure it's same. This. I can check. The brass is solid brass. It's heavy. Yeah, the nozzle. It's same. I missed today gun show in the Macomb. Have a gun show. Maybe tomorrow I will go there. And also we need to buy something from there or whatever. We'll see. Flux here. It's lock and disconnect. Have a sign up and down. Make a tight. Yes, this is it. Okay, let me plug. I think it's enough long the cable. I'm gonna plug in the power just to see. No, it's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. I don't wanna take extension cord. I'm not preferring extension cord for a welding machine. That's no good. And I'm gonna keep like that for the next video. When I make a video, we're gonna do it about the welding example. But the wire, I like it. The wire is solid, especially this for the power. It's a solid big wire. It looks strong. Yes, it's a strong. Usually you need a strong. You need a strong cable, the wire for welding. The clamp. I like clamp. The ball side is touching good. It's a strong clamp. Good contact. Nice metal. Nice also the broad of wire and everything is good. Okay, this is it. And this for stick welding. From always when I see stick welding, that's a usually for everyone. It's the same principle, same system, but I don't like too much this, but it is what it is. Nobody makes something different, like a keep like a gun, you know, when a welding for the stick. Yeah, I don't know. Just put the stick here. Because something, I don't know. And the cable. Yeah, it's a heart. It's a heart. It's solid. It smell. Yeah. It's nice. Nice, I think it's a good. No, it's short, the cable. Or here. Or no. Okay. Okay. I made it some kind. Okay. I made it some kind of contact, but I don't know. Can I show here? Because yeah, it's a nice, it's a solid, good display. Is a perfect. I like it. Like me, like me. Sometimes I eyeglasses for reading, but this number is really good. Mode, flux, stick, and lift TIG. Yeah. 135 lift TIG. This is the flux. This is the speed of the wire. This is automatic wire when it's coming for the flux. Yeah, it's a good, nice solid screen. Okay, I'm gonna turn off, and then when I make a turn off, the fan is work. Couple more seconds, and behind fan switch off on. This is the ground, and also same manual how you can use model flux. Yeah. Okay guys, for me it's important to show you something when I buy, not the longer the video or short video, but also I'm looking some if somebody knows some good program for edit video for the YouTube. I have one program for edit video, but I don't like too much. If someone knows about that, please give me a suggest or send in the message, tell me about which edit YouTube program is good for video. Yes, this is it. Okay, I didn't open this wire. Open this wire to see. Take my small buck knife. This is size 0.8 millimeter, 2 pounds, almost 1 kilo. Yeah. Gasless flux cord wire. YESWELDER AWS A5.20 E71T GX. And also, I can use TIG lift. If somebody knows what need to buy for the TIG lift, you can write in the comment. Okay. I don't know, can I need a tank for oxygen? I'm not sure. But if somebody knows about that, you can write the comment. What need for the TIG lift? Thank you guys. Have a good weekend. Be healthy. Stay alive. I'm saying that because one of my friend is sick and I wish the best for him. I can't imagine about that, but in any other chance we're gonna talk about that. For now, thank you so much and have a good day.